Has left so many families around the world heartbroken. Most of those on board were from the Netherlands, but they came from at least 10 other nations too, and they are being remembered and grieved at memorials and candlelight vigils around the world tonight. There were 80 children on board, dozens of renowned AIDS researchers, and a promising young medical student from Ontario. Jennifer Tryon has their stories.
Okay.
Yesterday at this time, to my knowledge, my little brother was fine.
Andre Angel boarded flight MH17 from Amsterdam on his way to Bali with his girlfriend to celebrate finishing his second year of medical school.
We got confirmation that he was definitely had boarded the flight. And then, I don't know, everything just kind of went numb.
Her brother was just 8, she 10 when they left Romania and moved to Ajax, Ontario.
To Canada.
Andre studied hard and loved to draw.
This is his room.
His mother showed us this picture in his room, proud but devastated. She had just finished his laundry when the plane was shot down.
I washed all his clothes. I don't have it to smell like him. Oh. He was supposed to come back after this trip.
How you feel?
Lost. Because I don't know how to do this without him.
He wanted to be a doctor, loved the research. He'd have been in awe, the big names in medicine on the flight with him. Glenn Thomas from the World Health Organization, passionate about public health, and a large number of other AIDS researchers heading to the International AIDS Conference in Australia. Among them, Joop Lange, former president of the International AIDS Society, best known for bringing affordable drugs to patients in poverty.
What if the cure for AIDS was on that plane?
It wasn't only researchers on board. There were students from Australia and the Netherlands, an Asian chef, a Dutch senator, a nun, a grandfather traveling with his 3 grandchildren, an entire family from Indonesia. And of course, the flight crew. And in a twist of fate, Sanjid Singh Sandhu switched shifts last minute so his co-worker could have the day off. And what are the chances? Kayleen Mann lost her stepdaughter on the other Malaysian flight and now lost her brother and sister-in-law on this one. No one had any connection to the terror on the ground they were flown over.
It's not fair. And he had nothing to do with whatever was going on in that war zone. No one on that plane did.
There's nothing the Engel family wants more than to get Andre's body back to Canada for a proper burial. Instead, it's lying in that field in the Ukraine with hundreds of others, while officials there decide who's in charge of all of the victims. Donna.
Jennifer Tryon, thanks. And you can hear more from Andre Angel's family on our website, globalnews.ca.